One of the most powerful capabilities of ArcGIS Online is the ability to share maps and apps with our target audience through ArcGIS Online groups. However, we notice many organizations struggle to collaborate with their maps between organizations. For a demonstration of how ArcGIS Online can support inter-organization collaboration, we will use an example from the 2017 Freedom Camping project. This is a demonstration to show a collaborative approach to manage the spatial data that outlines where camping is or is not allowed in New Zealand. In this example, we are showing how ArcGIS Online can be used to manage the centralized storage and local curation of a national freedom camping layer. Here are the two most common patterns of sharing we see in organizations today. Sharing maps internally with my whole organization, or sharing maps with the public. Here is an ArcGIS Online group for sharing content within my organization. We might use this for field data capture to enable trusted members of my organization to access the maps and apps needed in the field. This second group is designed for creating maps, reviewing them with the communications team, and then sharing approved maps with the public. This is a great capability that many of you are using today to share public information maps and story maps. However, perhaps the most powerful capability is collaboration between organizations. This is a private group for trusted members from different organizations. I have been invited into this group to collaborate and curate the National Freedom Camping layer. But the group is owned by another agency that oversees the hosting and sharing of this data. You can see that there are members from other regional and district council organizations. But let's look at this from the group owner's perspective in the national organization that's hosting it. The owner of this group can very easily invite new members if the invitee's profile is set to be viewed by everyone. Once they accept the invite, they can access and edit layers that are enabled for collaboration in this group. In this example, the National Freedom Camping layer. This is a layer that is editable, but only by those members of my group. For instance, the GIS staff at a regional council who are authorized to update the National Freedom Camping layer. In this Web App Builder application, I can edit the master layer and simply change the status of this feature to approved. Remember, we can set this so that members can only edit features they contribute. But this simple editing workflow would enable each regional council in New Zealand to collaborate on the curation of a national data set of importance. Let's return to our master layer. This layer can be shared and used in many ways thanks to hosted layer views. This functionality allows me to create a new view of the feature layer that references the same data, yet allows me to independently set how it's shared with others, how it's drawn, what features are displayed, and whether it can be edited at all. For example, what if we wanted to share this layer in public maps or on our open data portal? Here you'll see I have configured a public view of the data that is not editable. But we only want to show the features that have been approved. This is possible through the newly introduced capability, View Definitions. With View Definitions, I can decide which features are shown, in this case those that have been approved, and what fields can be seen. Now, anywhere this public view is seen, it will honor these feature and field settings, even on the REST endpoint. Now we will see how this public view is exposed in our public maps. Here is a web map with the public view shared via the public information map template. This is a configurable application template that enables you to quickly deploy an application that is accessible by the public with a simple, streamlined layout and is designed to be responsive on mobile devices. When we zoom into the feature that was just approved, we can see it as a public viewer. and again, only with the approved fields. The public information map is great for exposing our simple layers quickly. But for a simple location-driven experience, the new Shortlist Story Map beta app lets you organize points of interest into tabs that make it easy for users to explore what's in an area. Your users can click on the places either in the tabs or on the map to find out more about these points. The tabs automatically update as users navigate around the map to show them what's interesting in their current map extent. This is a great way to engage the public and help them find exactly what they're looking for. Freedom camping is just one New Zealand initiative that can be supported by collaboration in ArcGIS Online. Imagine the implications for emergency management and other national or local government collaboration challenges. Thank you.